previous section. In the previous sections, we discussed the trigonometry functions, sign of trigonometry functions, identity of trigonometry functions, values of trigonometry functions, and domain and range of trigonometry functions and their graphs. Okay, today we are going to discuss exercise 3.2, the first section. Okay. Find the values of other 5 trigonometric functions. Okay. How many trigonometric functions? There are 6. Sine, cos, tan. Then there are reciprocals, cosec, sec and cot. Sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant and cotangent. Okay. The first question. Cos x equal minus 1 by 2. X lies in third quadrant. Okay. X lies in third quadrant. Cos x equal minus 1 by 2. So we can draw the quadrant. Third quadrant. This is the first term, second, third and fourth. In the sign, in the third quadrant, what about the sign? Yes, the code is all students take coffee. All positive, sign and the reciprocal, cosecus positive. Here tan and its reciprocal, cotus positive. Then here cos and secus positive. Our question is this cos x representing third quadrant. Here the tan and cot only positive. Then cos x equal minus 1 by 2. All the trigonometry functions correlated to the right angle triangle, isn't it? Yes. Then here the right angle, acute angle x. This is an acute angle, yes. Right angle triangle. What about cos x? Yes, adjacent side by hypotenuse side. This is adjacent side. This is hypotenuse. Adjacent and opposite to the adjacent to the acute angle and opposite to the acute angle and the hypotenuse. That is opposite 90 degree. Longest side, that is hypotenuse. Okay. Here what is given? Cos x equal minus 1 by 2. Cos x equal, here the in third quadrant only tan and cot is positive. That is minus 1 by 2. We want to, here the minus 1 by 2 is adjacent side by hypotenuse. The adjacent side is 1 and hypotenuse side is 2. Here 1, this is 2. We want to find the opposite side. Okay. By Pythagorean theorem, we can say the opposite side equal root of hypotenuse square minus adjacent square, or this is base, altitude, hypotenuse square equal base square plus altitude square. Here the opposite equal root of the longest side, hypotenuse square minus adjacent square. So we can write 2 square minus 1 square equal 4 minus 1 equal root 3. So the opposite side is root 3 as opposite side. Our aim is to find the other trigonometric function. So first of all we can write the cos x is minus 1 by 2. The reciprocal sec x. Sec x equal to the reciprocal of cos x, that is minus 2. Okay. Minus 2. Then sin x. Sin x equal opposite side by hypotenuse side. That is, what is opposite side of angle, acute angle? Root 3. Root 3 by 2. Root 3 by this 2. Hypotenuse is 2. What about its sign? Is negative because here tan and cot only positive. Minus root 3 by 2 in the third quadrant. Sign is negative. So, the value is the sin x equal minus root 3 by 2. Then its reciprocal cosec x. What is cosec x? Minus 2 by root 3. Okay, minus 2 by root 3. Clear? Then tan. Tan x equal opposite side by adjacent side. that is root 3 by 1. Root 3. Positive root 3. Okay. Because it lies in third quadrant. Tan and cot are positive. Then cot x equal 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of root 3 is 1 by root 3. These are the other 5 trigonometric ratios. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Given cos x equal 1 minus 1 by 2. That is given. Based on this 1 by 2, we can find the third side. By using Pythagoras theorem, the third side is root 3. Okay. Then sec x equal reciprocal of cos x. That is 2 by minus 1. That is minus 2. Okay. Then sin x equal opposite side by hypotenuse. That is root 3 by 2. Then cosec x, the reciprocal of sin x, minus 2 by root 3. That is hypotenuse side by opposite side. Okay. Then tan x is opposite side by adjacent side, opposite by adjacent. That is root 3 by 1. That is root 3. Then reciprocal is cot x. That is equal 1 by root 3. Tan and cot are positive. Clear? The next question. Here the question is sin x equal 3 by 5. X lies in second quadrant. Here sin x equal 3 by 5. Second question. Here this represents second quadrant. Second quadrant, sin and cosecus positive. Okay, sin and cosecus positive. Then here sinus, what is sin? Sin x equal opposite side by hypotenuse side. Okay, here right angle triangle, this is x acute angle, 90 degree, this is hypotenuse, opposite is 3 and hypotenuse 5. We want to find the adjacent side here. Here adjacent side equal root of hypotenuse square minus opposite side square. Okay. Here what is hypotenuse? Root of 5 square minus 3 square equal root of 25 minus 9 equal root of 16 equal 4. Here the adjacent side is 4. Okay. Then the other trigonometric ratios are, or the functions are, here sin x opposite is, or the reciprocal is cosec x equal hypotenuse by opposite. That is 5 by 3. Here sin and cosecus positive. This is positive. This is also positive. Then remaining are negative. Here the remaining cos x equal adjacent side by hypotenuse side. That is equal 4 by 5. The sign is negative. Then the reciprocal sec x equal minus 5 by 4. Okay. Then what about tan x? Tan x equal, yes, opposite by adjacent, 3 by 4. Here the sign is negative. Then what is cot x? Minus 4 by 3. Cot x equal minus 4 by 3 because the second quadrant, this is the second quadrant, only sin and cosecus positive. Clear? Next question. Here the question is cot x equal 3 by 4 lies in third quadrant. Here the third question, cot x equal 3 by 4, third quadrant. Here the third quadrant, which is positive. All students take coffee, tea, tan and cot is positive. Okay. Here the triangle, right angle triangle, this is x. Cot is, what is cot? Cot x equal adjacent side by opposite side. Okay, the reciprocal of tan x. Here adjacent side is 3 and opposite is 4. We want to find the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse side equal root of opposite side square plus adjacent side square equal root of 4 square plus 3 square equal root of 16 plus 9 equal root 25 equal 5. This is 5. Hypotenuse is 5. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Then the remaining other 5 trigonometric functions. Cot, the opposite is or the reciprocal is tan x equal opposite side by adjacent. That is 4 by 3. That is also positive. The others are negative. Then sin x. What about sin x? Sin x equal opposite side by hypotenuse. That is opposite 4 hypotenuse 5. Here the sign is negative minus 4 by 5. Okay. What about cosec x? Cosec x is the reciprocal of sin x. That is minus 5 by 4. Minus of hypotenuse side by opposite. Then next is cos x. Cos x equal adjacent side by hypotenuse. What is adjacent? 3. 3 by 5. Minus 3 by 5. Okay. Minus 3 by 5. Then what is sec x? Equal the reciprocal of cos x. That is minus 5 by 3. Minus 5 by 3. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 5 trigonometric ratio. The fourth question is sec x equal 13 by 5. X lies in fourth quadrant. Sec x equal 13 by 5. X lies in fourth quadrant. This is fourth quadrant. Here C, coffee, C, cos and sec as positive. Cos and sec as positive. First of all, draw a right angle triangle. This is x. What is cos? Sec. Sec x equal hypotenuse side by adjacent side. Okay, hypotenuse side by adjacent side. Here the hypotenuse is 30 and adjacent side of this x is 5. We want to find the opposite. Here opposite side equal root of hypotenuse square minus adjacent square. That is root of 169 minus 25 equal root 144 equal 12. Okay. Here the opposite side is 12. Then the reciprocal of cos x equal sec x. That is the reciprocal of sec x equal cos x. Okay. What is adjacent side by hypotenuse? That is 5 by 13. Here the cos and sec is positive. Others are negative. So then write the sin x as opposite by hypotenuse. That is opposite is 12 by 13. Here the sign is negative. Okay. Again, the reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of sin x? Cosec x. Cosec x equal minus 13 by 12. Cosec x equal minus 13 by 12. Clear? Okay. Then the last one, tan x. Tan x equal, yes, opposite by adjacent side. 12 by 5, the sign is negative. Minus 12 by 5. Clear? Then, cot x equal the reciprocal minus 5 by 12. Can you follow this? Is it clear? Okay. Here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trigonometric ratios. One is given sec x as 13 by 5, that representing fourth quadrant. The fourth quadrant cos and sec is positive. The others are negative. Here cos is the reciprocal of sec, that is 5 by 13. Then sin x equal opposite by hypotenuse 12 by 13. Here the sign is negative. Then reciprocal is cosec minus 13 by 12. Then tan x equal opposite by adjacent, that is 12 by 5. Here the sign is negative. The cot is the reciprocal minus 5 by 12. Clear? The next question. Question number 5. Tan x equal minus 5 by 12. X lies in second quadrant. Tan x equal minus 5 by 12. Okay, minus 5 by 12. This is second quadrant. Sine and cosec. All students take sine and cosec as positive. Sine and cosec as positive. Here tan x equal opposite by adjacent. Okay. Here the angle is x, opposite is 5, adjacent 12. What's the hypotenuse? Root of opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse equal root of 25 plus 144 equal root 169 equal 13. Okay, equal 30. Here the hypotenuse side is 13. Clear? Cot x equal the reciprocal of tan x, that is minus 12 by 5. The reciprocal of tan x is cot x, that is minus 12 by 5. Then sin x equal opposite by hypotenuse 5 by 30, sin as positive. Okay. Then reciprocal cosec x equal sin the reciprocal cosec, that is 13 by 5. 13 by 5. Clear? Then the last one, cos x equal adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 12 by 13. Here the cos is negative, minus 12 by 13, and the reciprocal is sec x equal minus 13 by 12. Okay. Here the tan x equal minus 5 by 12 and cot x minus 12 by 5. Tan x and cot x negative and cos x is adjacent side by hypotenuse minus 12 by 13 and sec x minus 13 by 12, that is also negative. Here sin and cosec is only positive, that is sin x equal 5 by 13 and cosec x equal 13 by 5. Okay, clear? Today's class is over. Your homework, page number 61, example 6 and 7. Okay, thank you.